So the e-bike showed up. Here's the box. I didn't notice there's a hole there. Hopefully these threads are not too damaged. Little dings on the end there. Let's open this up, see what we got. Well, it just looks like we open up the top here and pull the bike out of there. So I got all the pieces out of the box. I think I gotta unwrap these. That was the front tire. One of these was sticking through. I'm not sure if it was that. I think it was. Yeah, it was this side right there. That's what was poking through the box. And I didn't know this tire has got plenty of air. However, the back tire is flat. But we'll put air in and see. Anyway, we'll unwrap the rest of this and see if I can figure out how this goes together. Oh yeah, and this bolt was rolling around in the big box there, so hopefully we didn't lose other parts. So I figured out what this extra screw is for. Basically this brake right here, screw there, missing screw there. So that's where that missing screw goes. Alright, I got out here, got the back tire pumped up. However, I'm looking at the front of this, like right where the stem comes together. Can you see that? This thing is really wobbly. So I pulled the stem out there, broke out the big crescent wrench and tightened that up there with the big crescent wrench, and it's pretty tight now. So just keep that in mind. If you get one of these, you might have to tighten that up to get that. So the other problem that I'm having here is it will only shift into the first, second, and third gear. It seems that this thing is like, the shifter is getting blocked by the guard, which looks like it's actually bent. Well, I did get it to go into the other gears there by bending this. I still don't like the looks of those two bolts right there. It seems like they should be straight, but not exactly sure. This is my first e-bike, so I don't really review these too much. I just wanted one that was a 20-inch fat bike with a full suspension, so I got this one. The problem that I'm having is in the higher gears. This thing's and I think it might possibly be that it's bent, that the shifter might be bent. Yeah, I think this right here is bent. Looks like it got bent in the shipping, which I think that's making it jump the gears. I've tried adjusting it out, but it's not adjusting out.